That's really crazy if you ask me. Oh my. 50.
Ooh, we got a 10x on Pachinko. Oh boy. It's either 20x or 2000x, ladies and gentlemen.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
So once again, so that time's over now. Don't forget to place the best. Don't forget add up the option as well. Welcome to place as well. Thank you for joining, and let's wait for another bonus round to be joining us for this session. On the bonus round of the crazy time left to catch for this hour. Alrighty, let's do this. Let's see who we're going to land this time. We have a cash and we'll 5x multipliers. Let's see who we're going to land for this new round once again. Maybe the cash hands. And let's go! Oh, we have a TOPSLOT cash hand once again. Already, 5x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen, on the cash hand. Let's go, players. Enjoy the cash hands. Time for bonus rounds here. Alrighty, welcome back to another cash hand with a whole TOPSLOT of the 5x's. Let's go, the players. So far, the biggest one is 100x's. Let's multiply everything 5 times. Where's the 5x's? There you go, the players. 5x multiplier on top. Look at those yummy, tasty multipliers. 500x multiplier to catch, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this. Let's have a shuffle time that is going to be only for a few more seconds. So wish you all the best of luck as well. And let's hope you'll be able to catch yourselves a 500x, so then we have only one in here. Let's go, players. Decision time is open. Make a choice, of course, on the symbols. Hopefully the 500x multiplier is going to be yours. Of course, the players, if you're not going to make your choice yourself, will be auto-picked for you automatically. So let's keep her up and let's reveal them. Let's see what we got.
This is the amount of money issued, 55,522 euros.
Nice to see such a good multiplier. Let's go back, everyone. Alrighty.
To be honest, out of all the games in here, Pachinko, Cash Hunt, Coin Flip, Crazy Time, I mean, pick your poison. Which one do you prefer? Definitely not. You know, the Party Cooper right next to me. My favorite bonus is Pachinko. Mine used to be Pachinko, but then the Pachinko just, I don't know what happened to it. We have a Cash Hunt times 7. We will not stop in time, will we? Oh, we do! I think... Wait. Cash Hunt times 7 probably means I did what I promised. Getting the biggest win today. Let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, today's biggest win right in front of your eyes. Cash Hunt with a times 7. Now, there's only 100. 700. There's going to be plenty of other numbers. The smallest, if I'm not mistaken, is 35. The biggest 700. Let's pull the lever. Numbers covered. Carousel started. Oh, how one good game can turn around your entire day. Imagine you get that 700. Carousel came to a stop. Your decision time to pick that 700. I mean, even if you don't get the 700, you could get 350 as well. Hey, 350, don't mind me. I'll take the 350 as well. 3, 2, 1, decision time is closed. Let's reveal.
This is the amount of money issued, 66,378 euros.
Am I blind or does it not exist? Well, either way, let's get back to the board. Right. Thank you, I'm sorry. Sorry for what, Ethan? Hit 350. That's nice. That's nice. 70, 49, 35, 350. Anyone in the chat got 700?
107 winners. Yes, 3x only. Okay. Highest win. The highest win is the 700x on the Cash Hunt, and that was the 9 UTC. 7x on the Cash Hunt. Make it real. Make it real. Make it. Okay. Actually, Cash On with a 7x. Okay, guys, welcome there. Okay, what's on the board? Come on, give us something really good. Some initial really good multipliers. Okay, the one hat is now the highest, and also we updated by the top slot by 7x gonna be here, guys. That means we've got, look at this, golden board, so up to 700x multiplier here. Good luck. Okay, now really good moment for you, but you know, to be honest, there is any multiplier is really good for you, you know. So yeah, that's gonna stop like that, and that's your time to shine, guys. That's your time to choose your target. Where's the 700x hiding? No? Maybe behind some rabbit, or cactus, or a duck, something like that. Well, that's the moment of the truth. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued, 86,547 euros.
Is right there, actually. So, congratulations.
Let's go down. Where's Satoshi? Satoshi? Who's that? Do we have any Japanese host? What? Or is that the player? Sounds like a Japan name. So, guys, I don't know how much time left. After 2 minutes, I'll tell you. I don't know for sure yet, so yeah, well, number bets now, the very best of luck. Or actually, no, you know what? I think I have like 40 minutes left, probably. Okay, we have 5 and crazy time. I need a max win. Are you a fan of PDD? Well, I mean, not necessarily, but what? Ladies and gentlemen, that was unexpected. That's crazy time. And that's with a 5x top slot. Okay, I'm excited. New highest win, let's go. Welcome everyone to crazy time. What was the last crazy time? 25, 35, 25, if I remember correctly. This is the Wheel of Fortune. 5x top slot, here we go. Okay, this is crazy, right? Oh, we have a triple? Imagine that. Alright, green, blue, yellow, pick your colors or let down pick choose for you. Pick your fate, please. Imagine getting a triple, that's like 1,500 immediately. Oh wait, no, max multiplier is 1,000x, so alright, let's go to doubles. Good luck, everyone. The button, yeah, good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 112,400 for euros.
Alright, looks like we have 100x for the green and yellow and 250x for the blue. That's new highest win. Congratulations to the winners, 1,950 for total winners. Welcome back, everyone. Alright, well, I mean, 5x crazy time. Max multi was a...
We got 2 already. I mean, we have 3 crazy times in total. As for the crazy, if you ask me, oh my. 50x on a 10. 50x on a 10, please. Please. One more?
This is the amount of money issued, 392,479 euros.
50x on a 10, 1,930 winners. What? What is this, guys? What is this? No way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Almost done. How you doing, Aaron? Let's go. Today's 5x. Oh. Hey. Yo, it actually stopped. It actually stopped, didn't it? What? Crazy time out of 5x. Okay. Alright, so let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on, put that 5x in it as well. Oh, come on in, ladies and gentlemen, big multis. Well, first things first. 3 clappers, make a choice. Green, blue, yellow. Which one is gonna be the best? Which one you going for? Alright, here we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 500x on the wheel. And we could double it. We could triple it. Yes, come on. Alright, so we got 250 green, 125 blue. And this is a round where you just need to hit a double. Right, you will have a chance to win 1,000 after 1,000x on yellow. Ladies and gentlemen, people's elbow.
This is the amount of money issued 158,960 for euros.
For a moment again, 150x anyway. Amazing multipliers, amazing crazy turnaround. And we are back, welcome back. Yo! Oh, got the best one there. Nice. Crazy time. Very nice with the 5x. No more 20, 20, 20, no more nothing like that. Big ones. Triple digits.
So, 7,730 champs. Scotto Donkey Marina within reality. Very nicely done, by the way. Hi, Nicklemers. Welcome to the crazy time. How are you doing and how are you feeling today? Whoop, whoop. But yeah. Great movie, great bonus. Whee! Exactly. You know that. So basically, good luck everybody. Sheesh! 75! That's amazing! By the way, Cash, 25x multiplier. Hi, Kernan. How are you feeling today? Hello. Come on, reach it. Stop. Yes! Woohoo! Wow, Cash Hunt with a 5x. What? Okay. A little bit of dancing, guys. Let's take a look. Okay, guys, so this is going to be our board 100x multi, but that is not it because you know what? 5 times more. Woo! Okay, this is looking much better, isn't it? Let's go, guys. So, well, 500x multi, a lot of 125x's, guys, too. So, and 250x's, too. And another one. Guys, now you gotta choose. So somewhere on this board there is 500x multiplier, a lot of 250x's, 125 guys. So ooh, choose wisely, and our auto picker could pick it for you. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna choose.
This is the amount of money issued for 119,828 euros.
Wait a minute, isn't it in the same spot? What? Let's go! 49 winners with 500x multipliers, 739 with a beautiful 250x multi. Woohoo! 7,941 winners in total, looking incredible, and 14,000 is the top winner. Yes! Let's go. Good job, everybody. Of course, let's do it. Good job, June. Fancy actual too. Hey, yo! No print. Thanks, man. Well, you got a few more seconds slash bets. Welcome, of course, everyone joining in as well at Freestyle Live. How's Friday? Good luck. Ooh, we got a 10x on Pachinko. We could really use that. We've had 2 Pachinkos and 5x and 10x, so one with a top slot sure would be really great. Oh, we got it! Pachinko with 10x. Let's go. Oh, I hope you won't disappoint us, Pachinko. Let's see the multipliers. Ooh, I'm nervous. Hopefully you guys gonna get 3x. So 30x is gonna be the lowest. 5, 7, 10, 20, 40, 200. Oh boy. It's either 20x or 2000x, ladies and gentlemen. No, 30x or 2000x. All right. Whoo, I'm nervous. I don't know about you. Here we go. Good luck. Come on, 2000. Let's go. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,788,661 euros.
Congratulations, especially compared to our previous ones. Whew, for a second there I thought we were getting the 30, but thankfully ended up with a 200. Congratulations, that's much better. Better close, good luck. Here we go. A little heart attack with that 30.
Could this actually happen? Well, it could, but will it? Hey! How do you like them apples, ladies and gentlemen? Coin flip 15x on top. Woo-wee! All right. See, I got excited, so I hope you guys excited as well. It's all about what the initial offers actually are going to be. So, blue side, red side of the coin. Let's place it where it needs to be. Without the multiply on top. Oh, 25x already on blue. 2x is on the red. This is going to be a big difference. 30x off the multiply on the red. 375x blue team. Come on. Cross the fingers for me, please. Thank you.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,380,570 euros.
375x multiply. How do you like that, ladies and gentlemen? Well, probably some things will change definitely in the chat all of a sudden. 6,000, way over 6,000 winners, ladies and gentlemen. Great job. That's what I wanted to see. That's what everybody wanted to see. Now we got the thanks. No, guys, please, I beg you. You don't have to say thanks to me. I didn't do absolutely nothing there, you know. You did everything yourselves. So you placed the bets. You got it. So, yeah, enjoy the victory. That's all I got to say. Coin flip 5x.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.